Hello everyone, welcome. First of all, thank you for being interested to watch this vlog. It's 6 a.m. currently. I'm heading towards the station. It's really empty. I did record an introduction, but I was reluctant to post it since it was very embarrassing. So I'll be just doing voiceover content for most of the video.
This is Alpesh.
620 का लेना चाहिए बट 640 का लेते थे.
See, ये ट्रेन यही था शायद. Most probably we used to make this train for college. तो बहुत nostalgia आ रहा है. We are taking the opposite train towards Panvel today.
Distance from Panvel to Karnala Fort is approximately 13 kilometers. You can easily get a transportation as auto rickshaws, which will charge you 200 to 250 rupees. But with good bargaining, you can get a rickshaw for 150 rupees to 180 rupees. The entry charges for the fort is very minimum from 15 to 35 rupees. There are separate charges for electronic items and parking charges as well. As an initiative to avoid pollution, you will have to deposit an amount of 100 rupees if you are carrying any plastic item. It will be refunded only when you show the plastic item when you return. Since we came on weekend, there was a lot of rush, as you can see.
We are currently at the entrance of Karnala. Guys, how's the josh?
Hi sir.
How's the josh?
Hi sir.
We did not find any birds in the forest, but if you carry your binoculars, you might see some. There are boards on either sides that provide information about what kind of trees and birds are present in the entire forest. So you can check it out too. So the boards like these have detailed information about roots, stem and the entire tree. So you should definitely check it out too. Speaking of me, I'm not much of a fan of such information. I didn't care to stop and read. But yes, it was really informative, and if you're a fan of such things, you can obviously stop and check it out. There's a small place ahead where you can stop and check out beautiful birds like peacocks, lovebirds, parrots and many more. There are two ways towards the fort, the left, which is the common route, and the right, which leads you towards this lake. We took the common route though. We just came here to click some pictures. So the left way which we took goes right through the forest and it was really pretty. I will advise you to wear good quality of shoes that will help you form good grip.
बनेगा.
चल जल्दी.
हाँ चल.
ट्रेन से स्लिप हो जाओगे तो ब्लू कर लेंगे. एक मिनट. शुभम चल.
कैरी करना गाइस, ब्रेक जरूरी है.
We have covered half of the distance and these guys have decided to wait here. They're not going to come to us.
छोड़ी कान बैठी है.
कैसे बोलती जल्दी हिना क्या. अल्पेश तेरा पॉइंट आ गया है.
We started ascending by 9 am. This is the first point where we reached around 11:30, and the road bifurcates towards fort and the other towards a neighborhood village.
मतलब उन दोनों का है नहीं कुछ, मतलब उसके साइड से। Oh shit.
In total, there were 5 to 6 rocky patches, and the rest of the road was a straight hike, as you can see.
हिना जल्दी।
By the time we reached the bottom of the fort, it was 12 am. There was scorching heat as the sun was directly over our heads.
Noob people trying to do something. Oh noob. She's trying to get a particular angle, but we are sitting here since half an hour to get that angle. No.
I'm telling you.
You guys are making me wait for no reason. Hina, do you want to say anything? I am noob.
I am noob.
I'm not noob. शिवम
ऐसा आंटी लग रही है अभी तू।
Hello.
कर व्लॉग।
We have finally made it to the top of the Karnala fort.
थोड़ी थोड़ी नहीं, ज्यादा पड़ी।
There is nothing much over here. धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा।
Yeah. So the main reason why
So
we
he's
came
our
up,
Mavla.
the main reason why we came up is to get the satisfaction that yes, we have completed the trek. And
The nearest break in the but
yeah, so Karnala.
आणि लोकांना शायनिंग मारायला अजून काही नाही.
So Karnala is the closest fort from my house. So I always wanted to
From
come
our
over.
house.
From our house. We stay in Navi Mumbai. We did it finally.
मोमेंट बना।
Alpesh lives in nostalgia in the present. Future का nostalgia
Of the future.
present में. Always. भाई present की memories बनने तो दे. We've got vada pav from Pain and it is from Tandel. That it is the speciality of Pain. We have vada pav. We have. Thanks, please let me eat. तुम मैगी को छूते बोला? ये ब्लॉग पे जा रहा है.
मेंशन होगा।
अच्छे से लो उसको.
सब रिपोर्ट करेंगे।
वापस 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट.
त्या बापासोबत फिरते ही निघाली हिच्या नावाने सुपारी निघाली. गेली आता
काय बोलायचं रे?
हे दोन
ये BC Enterprises.
असं राजवाड्यासारखं हे बघा.
ये खोपमध्ये
राजासारखा मी आहे.
We're descending right now. You can see the phone.
शान गायब हो गया.
उतरते वक्त थोड़ी छोड़ी भी नहीं फटती है।
Just like any other trek, descending won't take much time. We completed the entire descending in just
2 minutes.
1.5 hours.
कैसे लग रहा है?
टायर्ड बट
पैर को
मस्त
कुछ-
एकदम
पैर को
सरस.
कुछ पैर कसं वाटतंय दादा?
पाय मेलेत मी फक्त जिवंत
So this is how we finally ended our trek with some good food. We were extremely tired and exhausted because of the scorching heat. We had awesome time and I thank everyone for tolerating me putting camera over their face every single time. So yeah, thank you.
Guys, this is where our trip ends.
मास्क पहनो भाई
Hey guys, I hope all of us. Hey guys, so here we end our vlog for
Hey
today.
guys.
So that's it, and take care. Bye bye.
I am noob.
Shukran, Alvida, Masalama. Take care and do whatever you want. Our lovely friends.
My answer is also same.